At this price, the first question is difficulty.
The shape looks simple. The machining is not. Form appears early. Precision does not.
The finish improves beauty. It removes forgiveness.
The real cost begins inside the movement.
Material control starts before the first chip falls.
Strength is useful, only if it can be cut cleanly.
Heat is managed early, or precision leaves with it.
Protection looks small. Its geometry is not.
Outside shape is visible. Inner fit decides everything.
Remove too much metal, and strength fades quietly. Even the space around the dial has discipline.
Water resistance begins where threads stop forgiving.
The back is unseen. It still carries pressure.
A diver's bezel must feel certain before it looks expensive.
Tactility has geometry behind it.
The insert resists time by resisting material weakness.
Legibility is cut, not wished into existence.
One-way rotation is a safety decision disguised as feel.
Comfort comes later. Structure comes first. A bracelet must flex without ever feeling loose.
The gap near the lugs is small. Its failure is obvious. Tiny misalignment becomes daily wear, noise, and drift.
Closure is mechanical trust, repeated thousands of times. Adjustment sounds simple. Precision travel rarely is.
Finishing separates surfaces. It also exposes every mistake.
Light is the final inspector of metal.
Polish without discipline, and geometry dissolves.
Beauty here depends on what was not rounded away.
Function survives only if finishing knows when to stop.
Transparency is difficult because defects have nowhere to hide.
A clear surface magnifies every small failure beneath it.
The dial looks calm. Alignment carries the strain.
One marker out of place disturbs the whole watch.
Hands are light. Their errors are loud.
Depth clearance is tiny, but collision is fatal. The crown is touched often, so it must fail rarely.
Too little protection leaks. Too much creates drag.
Security should feel easy. Its engineering is not.
Now the visible work hands authority to mechanics.
Friction is the quiet enemy every movement serves.
Energy is useless until each wheel agrees to carry it. Power begins hidden, but it governs everything ahead.
Accuracy lives where motion is interrupted on purpose.
This is where machinery turns into time.
Automatic winding protects autonomy by harvesting ordinary movement. Oil is a liquid measured in consequences.
Precision is never assumed at first beat.
Small corrections carry large mechanical meaning.
Stability matters most when calm conditions disappear.
Impact reveals whether precision was deep or merely temporary.
Assembly adds beauty. It also adds new risks. Casing is delicate because finished parts now face each other.
Control must survive contact with the outside world.
Sealing a watch means loading pressure into every interface. What looks composed is actually under tension. A sports watch is judged partly by how steel learns to move.
Confidence should sound brief and certain.
A dive watch proves itself where sight and air disappear.
Pressure finds weaknesses long before the eye does.
Survival alone is not enough. Precision must remain. The last stage is visual, but the standard is mechanical. Now the price feels less like branding and more like proof.